This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, shortcut guru Federico Viticci develops a ChatGPT integration for iPhones and Macs. In today's digital age, our devices are more connected than ever before. From smartphones to laptops, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. And with the integration of ChatGPT, the world's most advanced language model, communication has never been easier. As technology advances at unprecedented rates, few developments have transformed the world as quickly as ChatGPT. Large language models have gained massive popularity, and it seems like everyone wants to integrate them into every aspect of their life. However, the main challenge has been to figure out how to use ChatGPT in ways that is actually useful and productive. Fortunately, a new MacStories Shortcut called S-GPT has been developed to integrate ChatGPT with apps and services on your iPhone and Mac in a game-changing way. The creator of S-GPT, Federico Viticci, explains that he saw a lot of shortcuts being created to talk to Siri and have conversations, but he felt that there should be more of it. With S-GPT, users can integrate ChatGPT with their own data and information, enabling them to process their data and make things happen on their devices rather than just answering trivia questions or writing poems. S-GPT has over 250 actions, making it incredibly involved, and allows users to summarize a web page in Safari, check the grammar of an email, and even create a playlist of popular songs from a specific year. What's more, S-GPT makes ChatGPT technology useful, allowing it to be applied to everyday tasks in ways that hasn't been possible before. Viticci, who has been creating shortcuts for 8 or 9 years, says that the response to S-GPT has been incredible, with more than 50,000 people clicking the download link. To use S-GPT, users need to have a basic understanding of using shortcuts on their devices and obtain an API secret key from OpenAI by setting up billing. While users have to pay for queries with the API, the cost is minimal even with regular use. S-GPT brings the power of ChatGPT to Apple devices in a practical and accessible way, making the technology useful for everyday tasks. Viticci is already developing more advanced integrations, including personality plugins, but the main shortcut will always remain free for everyone. In summary, the S-GPT shortcut allows users to integrate ChatGPT with their own data and information, making the technology useful for everyday tasks. With over 250 actions, it can summarize web pages, check grammar, and even create playlists. While some basic understanding is still required, the cost of using the API is minimal, and the shortcut is free for everyone. So whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who wants to improve their communication skills, ChatGPT's integration with iPhone and MacBook Pro is the ultimate tool for success in today's digital age. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.